Let's take a look at the GOOLOO GE1200 Jump Starter. This is a 2000 amp peak car jumper with a lithium battery, which offers many more features than just jump starting your car. It comes with a really nice pouch for storage in your car. This pouch features a Velcro top with 2 compartments inside. Apart from the jump starter unit itself, you have the jumper cables which connect to your car battery to provide it power to start. And you also get a charging cable to charge the jump starter itself. It comes with an illustrated and easy to follow manual with step-by-step directions, tech specs, and a troubleshooting guide. The jumper unit has the jumper cable port on the leftmost side, and the charging port next to that, and 3 output ports which allow you to charge various devices like phones and tablets. On the rightmost side, you have a button to activate the built-in flashlight, which also doubles as hazard lights at night. At the top is an on-off button with the battery charge indicator so that you will always know how much charge is left in it. Here is the flashlight at work. As you press the button, it toggles between different modes. Here's how we can connect the jumper wires to the jumper unit. You simply flip open the rubber flap and plug it in. These jumper cables have a very important feature. They have a built-in protection against incorrect wiring, and will let you know when you accidentally reverse the connection to your car's battery. And I really love these clamps. They feel heavy duty and a nice non-slip plastic grip, which also helps to not touch the metal contact points when you're trying to jumpstart your car. I think this jump starter is really well designed and highly recommended. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found my video informative.